Today I'm sharing with you how to make this Guinness honey glaze oven jerk chicken. Look at this. Nice and tasty. So this is the chicken that I am going to jerk. First, I'm going to butterfly it. Oh, we're just washing the chicken with vinegar and fresh lime. Now that the chicken washed and dry, I am going to season it with 2 tablespoons of my all-purpose seasoning. I am going to use 3 tablespoons Walkerswood jerk seasoning. So after seasoning up the chicken, this is how it looks. Seasoned to perfection. Now I'm going to make it marinate for 3 hours before I put it inside the oven. So I have the oven preheated at 375 degrees. Now I am going to put the chicken inside the oven for an hour and 15 minutes. Now that the chicken in the oven, I'm going to make the Guinness honey glaze. I'm going to turn on the stove. To my saucepan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons butter. I'm going to add 1 cup of Guinness. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of honey. Now I'm going to allow it to come to a boil. Okay, now it come to a boil. I'm going to turn down the stove and allow it to boil for 5 minutes. So it is already 5 minutes. I'm going to turn off the stove. Back in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, now I'm going for a bite. You see this? Fall off the bone. Cooked to perfection. Nice and tasty.